Hi, what's your name?
Corwin.
Corwin, and what is our project here?
Our project is a traffic light.
A traffic light, and what colors does it go through?
Green to yellow to red.
All right. And then finally, what's this for?
This is for this is the pedestrian button. You hold it and then for a certain amount of time, and then the green light will blink. It's actually not working.
Can we see it? So we hold it down. And so then after this red light, it will...
The green light will blink. And after we let go, it'll go back.
It'll go back through the loop. All right. Let's look at some of the code. Okay? So, at the very beginning, what are we setting up?
We set up the third pin, which is an output, the fourth pin, which is an output, the fifth pin, which is an output, and the second pin, which is an input.
What is the second input? Or sorry, what is the second pin?
The buttons.
The second pin is the button, so therefore the button is
The input.
the input. All right, and then in our loop, we have it set to green for how many seconds?
4.
Yellow to how many seconds?
1.
And then red.
4.
Nice. And then we have it so that when we press the button, what is it doing?
It's going to blink.
Blink which color?
Green.
Green. Nice. Thank you, Corwin.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.